Hey, what's up everyone, it's Karthik here, back with another HD tech video. iOS 14 is full of changes, both big and small. The most noticeable changes, the new widgets and the redesigned homepage. iOS 14 and iPadOS 14 are now available in the public beta. The process of downloading and installing each is very similar. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get those betas on your device. Before we start, as usual, this is a beta software, so there are bugs. So we suggest you not to try this on your primary device. Let's get this started. In your iPhone, open Safari and head over to the Apple's beta software portal. I will leave the link in the description below. If you're a first timer, you would need to log in into your Apple ID and verify a few things. Once it's all done, you will see this page. Scroll down a bit and click on Enroll your devices. You'll be taken to a different page. On that page, to your left hand side, on the corner you will find iOS. Tap on the tab, scroll all the way down until you find Download Profile. Tap on that. There'll be another pop-up. Tap on Allow to begin the download. After downloading the profile, go to your Settings app and you will find a new section called Profile Downloaded. Select it and you will have access to the beta software. So there you go guys, you have installed the iOS 14 beta on your iPhone. There's a lot more to come in iOS 14. The full build will be available later this year. That's pretty much of it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more cool tech videos. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, it's Karthik signing off. Peace out.